Okay, so here is question 1C, which is a logarithmic equation. You see this is log base 2 on each side, so that's something to keep in mind. Now, the procedure for solving a log equation is similar to solving an exponential equation, which is if you don't have any immediate tricks that you can do, then you want to gather all the log expressions on one side of the equation and all the non-log expressions on the other side, and then probably convert it to an exponential equation, and that'll generally allow you to solve for the variable. So we're going to do that, which means that I'm going to move either this over here or move this over here. I think in this case I will move this expression to this side and leave the 3 where it is. So I'm going to have 3 equals log 2 of x plus 2 plus log 2 of x. And what I can do now is use a log property to rewrite this as a single logarithm. So that's another part of the procedure, is to, once you've gathered all the log expressions on one side, to use log properties to simplify them and combine them into one single log. So I can do that here. Since these are both log base 2, if they weren't the same log base, then that would be a different story, but they're both log base 2, and so I can rewrite this as a product. So this is the same thing as x plus 2 times x, and then all of that is in the argument of the log expression. Now we'll have to convert to an exponential expression, and we're going to end up with a quadratic, because here I'll have x squared plus 2x, and this is still log base 2 of all that. And now I'll convert it to the exponent, so this is the same thing as 2 to the 3rd power equals x squared plus 2x, and that of course is 8, so this is 8, and so I'm going to rewrite this as a quadratic expression. So this is going to be 0 equals x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so things to worry about here. We're going to solve this quadratic and we'll get 2 solutions, but then we have to remember to make sure and go back and check each of our solutions that they don't cause a problem in either one of these log expressions, such as giving us a negative argument in either one of these expressions. We can't have that. Okay, so looking at this quadratic, it factors, right? So I can factor this, so that's nice, makes it a bit easier. I can write this as x minus 2 and x plus 4. So that's x squared, 4x, so that's our factorization. And so our solutions are going to be x equals 2 and x equals negative 4. So let me write that over to the side here. And now we need to take each one of these solutions and check them. So for x equals 2, that will be log base 2 of 2, that's fine. 2 plus 2 is 4, so log base 2 of 4 is also fine. So this is okay. But negative 4 is not okay. When I put negative 4 into either one of these expressions, I get log base 2 of negative 4. That's not okay. And then this is negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2, so that's log base 2 of negative 2. Also not okay. So this is not a solution. So we only have a single solution, and that's x equals 2. All right, and that's problem number 1.